Let's speak of the driving impressions in this BRT. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today Xander is going to be buying another car. What are you buying today?
A Camry.
No, he's not buying a Camry. He's buying a GR86 as a daily. We might put the JDL Turbo Kit on it, but not for now. I mean, we got the Camaro payment.
It depends what, how much money Toby wants to put towards the Turbo Kit.
How long?
A long time.
How long did you guys put that Ruby Star? No way. Yeah. I've been driving around like that?
Yes, but you're
You haven't seen it, bro. No. If you're watching my TikTok, 3 days. Dude, that... John, what were you saying about the chairs in there?
I said every single one of those chairs, people sit down and sign their lives away at 19% APR, and they love it. Their only job is to get you to pay as much as they can. I don't care how much of a deal you think you're getting.
I think I didn't catch that last part of what you said on camera, but we're gonna check out some cool cars in the lot because Xander is filling out the paperwork for the GR86. What's that one, man? It looks kind of clapped. I'm not gonna lie.
Pink Raffle set. Max Orlando, and I'm checking out a couple of cool cars.
You know it's a V6, right?
It's a V6.
Yeah. You didn't see that? 3.7. John walks over there to the Mustang, and I'm walking over here to the Lexus because I think this is actually really nice. So we got an ISF here, yellow calipers, really nice wheels. I think those are what, HREs? Yeah, that's dope. I know this may be slightly annoying, but right now we are running a giveaway for 2018 plus Mustang headlights. They're fully RGB. I'll put pictures on the left-hand corner of the screen, as well as long tube headers for 16 to 23. So from 2016 to 2023, we have some freaking long tubes in this giveaway. They're for Camaro SS's as well as ZL1s. And then if you guys recall, we have my original wing, which is also included within the giveaway. It would be the one that I carbon fibered. Now we're gonna go ahead and put pictures on the screen for every single giveaway item. I'm giving away that one on YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and give away my 4th brake light from MP Concepts. Again, we'll put another picture on the screen to display what it looks like on the car, but it lights up. It's a reverse light and also an F1 light. And we're also gonna be giving away these clear reflectors since I no longer have a use for them. So obviously I no longer have a diffuser, but with the Euros, they look super clean. I'll put a picture on the left-hand corner of the screen of what they look like when I had the diffuser and the V1 Euros. So in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is buy a piece of merch. We have shirts for $25 and hoodies for $35. They are Jurassic Park themed, so they're super sick. We're gonna get you guys hooked up with the Jurassic era merch. So actually, the hoodies count as 10 entries into the giveaway, and the shirts are 5. I will link them down in the description below, so if you guys wanna win a possible prize pot of over $2,000 in car parts between a Mustang and Camaro, you can definitely enter the giveaway. The website is TobyVegaD.company site. I appreciate you guys. Now let's get back to the video. We're gonna sneak in the back and try and find Xander's GR86 before they actually bring it out. So we're gonna pretend like we belong here, and that is the key to getting in. Ooh. The interior is nice. The wheels are nice, dude.
Really?
Are you getting the bow?
Huh?
Are you getting the bow on your car?
Hey Boris, I get a bow, right?
Yes. We saw it. We just saw it.
Really?
Yeah, I hate to inform you, bro, but it's clapped. They beat the dude. No.
Shut the f up.
How do you like it?
Looks very nice.
Xander, JDL Turbo Kit.
He's gonna come out. No, you can't have the bow.
It's actually clean. Getting exhaust on it, turbo kit. Just wanted to take a look at the interior on this thing real quick. So it is a lot nicer than the previous generation of BRZ or 86, whatever you want to call it. I am struggling to get inside of this thing though. We have Alcantara on the sides, red stitching. The steering wheel is leather, and then we have Alcantara up here as well. But the seats are actually comfortable. I just find that I don't really have that much headroom, and I'm like pretty much almost 6 foot. But this thing would be nasty with a JDL Turbo Kit. So I'm gonna start it and we can see what it sounds like. Not bad, not bad. Not really sure if this thing has the Apple CarPlay, but it does have all these different apps on the dash. I mean, look at this. We've got 6,000 miles. It does redline at what, 7,300 RPM. Gino has one of these, or had one of these. He recently sold it. It was super fun, and I think this is a pretty cool car. I mean, when we throw some boost at it, it'll be pretty fun. It'll be fast at like 350 wheel. I'm just scared of the stock motor and the stock trans, because apparently these are good at like 350 wheel at most. Then they start having some issues, and then the stock motor is an inevitable time bomb. Like it'll blow up. It's not a matter of if, it will. So we'll probably get like, I don't know, 30,000 miles boosted out of this thing. And then let's listen to the idle. So right now you really can't hear anything. You got that restrictive factory exhaust, but I don't know. A little carbon fiber on here, maybe the blue raspberry wrap. That would look nice on this thing. We're gonna show you guys how freakishly fast this GR86 is, or BRZ.
Oh my god! I'm busted!
What is it?
Shush, bro.
Up. Let's speak of the driving impressions in this BRZ. Yes, it rides very comfortably, Xander. What would you say?
Something like that. It doesn't have enough power, dog.
I don't know. I was in Gino's and I didn't have an issue, but that's because Gino's was full bolt on. I don't know. Maybe he changed the throttle position so that it's more aggressive.
We need the pedal dance.
So I'm curious to know if these newer gen BRZs still have a pedal dance or drift mode. And if you guys aren't familiar with what that is, I'll explain it in just a second. So the pedal dance mode is an Easter egg in the older GT86s as well as the BRZs. Basically, it's a sequence of steps or an Easter egg like from Call of Duty that enables a drift mode, and these are the steps right here. So step 1, turn on the car, pull the e-brake 3 times, etc, etc. So apparently the first step here is to start the car when it's already warm, so the motor has to be at operating temperature, and you have to do all of these steps within 30 seconds. Now that the car is started, we need to pull the e-brake 3 separate times, 2, 3, and then hold it. Now push the brake pedal 1, 2, 3 times with your foot and hold on the 3rd press. Pull the e-brake 3 more times, and then finally press the brake pedal twice. So it looks like they didn't bring it over to the new gen. It's always so weird out here, but I think that's gonna do it for the delivery of the BRZ. The thing is super fun. We did have some fun with it as well, did some donuts. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.